All right, what's up guys? Jeff here. In this video, we're talking about how to create an interactive clone with HeyGen, and we're going to give you a training data example. We're going to talk specifically about prompt engineering in this video and how to create the knowledge base, because when you go into HeyGen, and the way you get here is you click on labs, or you just go to this link, which is labs.heygen.com/interactive avatar is the link that you go to. It has an entire video on exactly how to film these things. And so when you come
Want
here,
to create an interactive avatar with HeyGen?
Just go ahead and watch these 3 minutes, and it's going to show you how to film the video. And you just go through these steps to upload your avatar, upload the footage, give consent, and then you'll have something like this. We recommend 4K. And the thing that really makes this work, though, is the knowledge base and integrating it into your website, right? So that's what we want to go over. And so in terms of creating a knowledge base, I have an example here. We have Julia's example. In the templates, you have the actual prompt that Julia used the example. And so what we did is we created a GPT called the HeyGen Avatar Prompt Architect, which you can download in down below in the resources or the tools. You can actually get this GPT and install it into your Chat GPT account. So what I'm going to do is just pull up this avatar and create a new chat with it and show you how we generate the prompt. So I want to say, create me a prompt for Jeff. I'm just do one for myself, right? And so it's going to ask me some questions. What's the purpose of Jeff's avatar? What tone and style do you envision? Do you have any viral or well-performing transcripts that I can reference? Is there specific branding or key phrases? Would you like your avatar to follow a script or be dynamically conversational? So typically I just go through here and I answer these questions. For this one, I'm going to say that I want it to be conversational, and that the purpose is for tech support. And then it's going to go ahead and generate the prompt, and it has the role, instructions, rules, context, and transcripts. And so it's going to give us kind of the bare bones. And what I like to do is just generate a Google Doc. And so just create a new Google Doc that's where your prompt is going to live. And we're going to copy and paste the bones of this prompt into the Google Doc and do a few things with Markdown. So that Markdown is how AI knowledge bases can ingest text and read it better. And so it's giving me some good categories. I like to think of these as categories or prompt categories. This is just good prompt engineering, giving the agent a role, giving it instructions. And so this is what we're going to be working with here. So now that I have kind of the bare bones, I want to clean it up and add Markdown. So Markdown is basically just hashtags for H1 or headers, if you're familiar with like HTML. So I'm just basically, for each of these headers, I'm putting in a hashtag so that the AI will know that this is a category, and it knows that where the text is going to live. And so for this one, I'll put 2, so that it's like a H2. And I'm basically just going and putting Markdown on these templates so that it has context. And so this is our basic bare bones. The only thing that I want to add to this is I want to add like so the viral transcript section isn't really the transcript. So I wanted to say I want a new section for each viral transcript that I'm going to train it on. And so the way that I go and grab my training data is I'm going to use YouTube transcripts for YouTube videos. And so I go to my channel and I look for the video that I really want to train it on. So for example, I'll just train it on my latest video. Even though it didn't get a lot of views, I think like the information in there is really good. And so I'm going to go down to subtitles and copy and paste all of the subtitles for that video into the transcription. So let me just scroll down here. It's about 6 minutes of captions. Let's see if I can get this last piece. All right. So I'm copying that into the viral transcript 1. And it gave me a little bit of extra things that I didn't want. So I need to format this better. There, hit that button, edit as text, and then grab the transcript from there so that you just get just text. I'm going to go back in and delete all these. All right, viral transcript 1. The other thing I'm going to do is put in the video title so that it knows what it's referencing. And the video title is here. How I built a second brain. And so now it knows that this is a viral transcript. It knows that this is the video title, and then it has all the context of everything I said in the video. And so now I have a nice knowledge base, and then all I'm going to do is copy and paste this knowledge base into HeyGen prompt. So I'll go back into create a new prompt, and I'll name this one Jeff 2 test. Opening, I'll say, this is whenever somebody talks to you, the first thing that you say, so I'll just say, what do you want? Kind of direct, playful. And I'll put the prompt in there. And I'll also put a link to our website, which is First Movers. So you'll just go to your own website, copy and paste the link, and I'll put that in here and train it on that, save and apply. So now we have a well done prompt that's going to conversationally engage, and it has good context on the examples, right? So if someone says, I'm having trouble doing this, then Jeff's avatar is going to say this, and it's going to be conversational, and it's not going to keep rambling on and on, right? And that's what I like about these prompts. So save link result, save and apply, and now the knowledge base is saved, and we can connect the knowledge base to the avatar. And so if I want to edit this, let's see. If I want to work with this, now I can change the knowledge base here to a test, and it's going to be Julia training on my knowledge base, which is going to be funny. And we'll see how that works, and we'll give you an example here. So let me move to text.
What do you want?
What do you want? Let's move to chat. How to build AI agents.
Hello there. I'm glad you reached out. Building AI agents can be an exciting project. To get started, could you please clarify what type of AI agents you're looking to develop? Are they for specific tasks like customer service, data analysis, or something else? This will help me provide you with more targeted guidance. Hello, Hi there. It sounds like you're interested in building a sales AI agent. I'd be happy to help you with that. To get started, could you please clarify a few things? 1, do you already have any specific tools or platforms in mind for creating this sales agent? 2, what tasks do you want this AI agent to perform? For example,
right, so that gives you an example of that knowledge base. I'll reconnect it to her knowledge base, and we'll go from there. So that is how you create an interactive avatar, specifically the knowledge base, specifically using our GPTs to do your prompt engineering for you. Links to the GPTs are here below the video. You can just open up your basic Google Doc, go through and do the markdown and tweak as necessary as you see fit through testing. And if you have any other questions, see you guys on Wednesdays in office hours.